Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Cash App Afterpay with Doordash. Start by opening the Afterpay app on your phone. Once you are inside, look for the in-app shop or the gift card section. Tap on it to continue. Now, use the search bar and type Doordash. When you see it appear, tap on it. You will now be able to choose the amount for your digital gift card. For example, you can select $50 or any amount that fits your needs. Proceed to checkout. Afterpay will split your payment into 4 installments. You will only need to pay the first 25% upfront. For a $50 card, that means paying $12.50 now. Complete the payment to finish your purchase. After that, check your email inbox. You will receive a message from Prezi with your digital gift card link. Next, open the Doordash app. Tap your account icon, then go to Payments or Gift Card. Select Redeem Gift Card and paste your code. The full amount will be added to your Doordash balance. When you place an order, Doordash will automatically use this balance first. Meanwhile, you will continue paying the remaining installments to Afterpay every 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.